It's the first stop. We're in Bowling Green, Kentucky at Beach Bend. We got Project X right here. Look at that.
What started out as a one-owner RS Camaro, basically bone stock 99 SS Camaro suspension, rear end, drive shaft, 6-speed manual, 383 stroker motor with EFI, Trans Am, recovered Trans Am buckets that'll match the 89 era interior, along with just subtle touches like a nice Momo steering wheel. It's crazy, 400 horse. I get about 20-ish miles per gallon on the freeway, but you know, around town, the car's driven. This will be its 5th power tour, and it's just, you know, gets better and better every year. This year was the 2nd time I had it in the Detroit Autorama, and lo and behold, ended up with a first in class 80 to 89 coupe class. Absolutely shocking to me.